Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another project. Today we're going to be cleaning up this little set of Tomahawk wrenches. I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well this is my little Tomahawk set that I got from Jacktown. I did pay $20 for this set. I wasn't too worried about the price, anything like that. I wanted it just purely for the collectability. It's a complete set. I've seen 1,000 of these sets, but none of them complete. So what I want to do with this is basically just clean it. I want to clean it and get it hung up on the wall. I think it'll be a nice little display piece and talk about it piece. So I say we jump right into this. Start taking this apart. The clip slides right off it. Wrench comes out. All your sockets come out. Well, they're supposed to. The sockets are in really good shape. They really are fantastic shape. Trays are pretty clean. Oh, why isn't that one sliding? That was kind of hard. Nice. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Yeah, I think this set will clean up fantastic. I really do. There we are, we're all broken down. I think what I'm going to do, because I want this to dry so I can clear coat it, I think we're going to clean this first. Let's get this stuff out of the way. I do have some hot soapy water right here. Just going to throw it in there. Let it soak for a little while. Got to find something soft to wipe that down with. Give me a second and we'll be right back. I'm trying to go as light as I can on the sticker decal. But I do want to get all the funk and the grime off this. Yeah, that's cleaned up much better. Alright, let's get this soapy water out of here. It's a real quick wipe down. See how better it looks. Of course, I'll rinse it off with fresh water. I just wanted to get that washed down to see how that graphics looks on there. Well, I don't know. The tin definitely looks better. Alright, I'm going to go rinse this off. I'm going to let it sit out there in the sun and dry, and we'll start on the sockets. Alrighty, got the card all spun around. Let's throw this on the wire wheel. See how it looks. Okay, so the wire wheel definitely cleaned this up a lot better than those little fiber wheels. But if you guys can see, somebody put, I don't know, maybe pipe wrench, channel lock, something like that around there, and tried using this for something that it shouldn't have been used for. So what we're gonna have to do is try and get all these little chips and dings and nicks and burrs off there. I'm gonna throw it on the combination sander and we'll go from there. That'll work. Let's go back to the wire wheel. Well, it is definitely a lot smoother. I'm not getting my hands all cut up. We kept the facets pretty good. So yeah, I think this will work just fine. You can still read Tomahawk on there just fine. Hopefully that's showing up. All right. Ratchet time. Well, unequivocally, I can say that this is absolutely clean. It's exactly what I was looking for. I'm pretty stoked with that. All right, I'm gonna go through the rest of these. This grinder is pretty noisy. These wheels are kind of hard to get perfectly aligned. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. I am quite pleased with how everything came out. Really, really clean. A couple of minutes of work. Even the bar here, all the facets came out good. There is still some gouges and stuff on there, but it's not as bad as it was. It's not going to cut your hand now. But it looks like somebody did put a pipe wrench on there. But hey, you know what? We saved it. And this set will look good hanging up on the wall. Look how fantastic those sockets came out. Absolutely crystal clean. I am super, super happy. And all of them came out that way. Even the little clip tins came out fantastic. We're going to wait on the Tomahawk 10 to finish drying, then we'll clear coat it and we'll put everything back in there and hang it on the wall. So see you then. Alrighty guys, well the clear coat is dry on all this. This came out absolutely fantastic. I'm quite happy with the result. So what I want to do is just start loading the sockets up in this. Oh, gotta go to this one. Wrench came out fantastic. I'm quite happy with that. Really happy with that, to be honest with you. And we'll try and get this clip on here. I know this is going to slide down. Oh, there we go there. That's quite cool. Bottom section's done. Let's go with the top. Oop, got it in upside down. Upside down. No, it's not. It's the extension. There we go. That's it. A perfect match. There it is, guys. Tomahawk set. Ultra clean. Ready to display. Will I ever use this? Probably not, but you know what? This is a fantastic little talkabout piece. And I'm super happy that the entire set is complete. So I say we go hang it up on the wall. There we go, look at that. Little Tomahawk set. Alrighty guys, well that's it for my Tomahawk set. We got it cleaned up and looking fantastic. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe, and we will see you next week with another. Bye.